Are you passionate about storytelling, media, communication, filmmaking, public relations, and many more? Your journey begins here. We are the Department of Journalism, Mass Communication and Media Studies, Kokrajhar University, and admissions are now open for the session 2026 and 27.
For the first time, we are proud to introduce Bachelor of Arts and Masters of Arts in Journalism, Mass Communication and Media Studies. This is a big step forward, expanding students at both undergraduate and postgraduate levels.
Established in 2023, our department began with the postgraduate diploma in Journalism and Mass Communication. And now, we are growing, bringing you full-fledged degree programs with updated curriculum and hands-on training.
Our postgraduate program is uniquely structured as per NEP. The first year equivalent to a PG diploma, the second year leads to a full master's degree. So you gain both practical skills and an advanced academic qualification.
Here, learning goes beyond the classroom. You will have hands-on experience on photography, video production, editing and digital media, reporting and anchoring, event management and many more.
Whether you want to become a journalist, content creator, filmmaker, media professional, public relations officer and communication expert, this is the place to start.
Admissions are now open.
Join us and shape your future in media.